Okay, so for today I'll be showing you how to make groats with meat rice. As you can see, this is the result. It comes with the yogurt. It's really easy to make and it's also tasty. But before I start, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share. Let's start cooking now. What you need is a pan. You will add oil, vegetable oil. And we will wait until the oil is hot. You're gonna add onion, cut as small pieces, and you're gonna also add red pepper. This is hot, it's optional if you like it spicy or no. I'm gonna add the meat. Spices, you can add whatever spice you like. This is optional, you don't follow what we added, but you're gonna add salt, now you're gonna add some turmeric powder, you're gonna add capsa powder. It's in Saudi Arabia. Now we're gonna add mixed spices. And now you're gonna start mixing. Now guys, we're gonna add the groats, which is one of the most important ingredients in this meal. Water, hot water. Covering it, so we'll leave it until it's cooked. Now it's ready, as you can see. Now we're gonna put it on low temperature, and we'll be back to show you how to prepare it. If you guys want to know why did I put it on low temperature, make sure you click the video right on top of there. So we reached the end of the video. Hope you like this meal. Is really tasty and it's also easy to bake. But before I leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share. Bye bye.